Alright guys, welcome to another solution video for Python Basics Worksheet 1. We're going to be looking at question 4. Creating a program that outputs a smaller variable without using the min function. So we're going to be creating this without knowing what values have been inputted for variables num1 and num2. And we're going to create a program that outputs the lower value. So let's start with our input. And we're going to have num1 is equal to integer input. And num2 is also integer input here. Right now, I have no idea which one's smaller, and we're not allowed to use a min function nor any conditional statements. So we're going to be using a little trick here to help us find that out. And it's going to seem very familiar from question 3. Output. So I want to have a variable. Let's say it's the smaller value. Okay. I'm going to set that to 0 because I haven't done anything with it yet. I'm going to have total sum. I'm going to add up those two values, num1 plus num2. And what I'm going to do is take total sum, subtract that by the maximum between num1 and num2. That way, from total sum, if I take away the biggest value, I'm going to get with the smallest value left over. So then we can print variable result would be comma smaller value. All right, let's execute this code here. If I were to enter 5 and 10, we'll get 5, 10, and 5. Awesome. Notice how we're not getting any messages, but I'm still allowed to input. What's happening is that in my input statements, there is no message, no prompt. For most assignments that I post on our website, what's going to happen is I'm not going to ask you for an input or any string output from time to time because I am doing automatic testing to test your code. So to make that smooth as possible, I'm just going to ask you to leave these empty and just output a value at the end without any messages. But yeah, this is our solution. We're going to add up the two values and take away the bigger value between them, so we can mimic the use of the min function without having to use the min function. Thank you for watching and stay classy.